This tutorial shows you how to join the waitlist in WCOnline. So there may be days when a student needs to see a consultant, but the only time that student is available is taken, or the entire day is full because it's a pretty heavy time, maybe midterms or finals, but the student still wants to be considered or alerted to the fact that there's an opening if an opening does occur. So if it's for a student to join the waitlist, all you need to do is show them to go to the little clock on the left side of the date. They click on that and they have some options. These options for September 13th are: 1, specify staff or resources only, so they can be notified of all openings that come available or just only with specific staff. So they can decide which they want to do. The second is any specific times. Sometimes students only have specific times that they're available, so they can have a window. So if there's something that opens up between 3 and 5 o'clock, for example, they'll only be notified if something does open up then. If something does open up, they will be sent an email or a text message depending on how they set up their profile once they join the waitlist. And that's it. If you have any questions about the waitlist, please let me know.